how to buy Pierogies token. So this token came under the symbol of PIRGS. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, fund your account, and you enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. This token it's in pre-sale right now. To be able to buy this token, click on this official website, and you will be able to redirect to this page. Now, how to buy this token on the pre-sale? So first of all, select the token that you want to buy with. You have, as you can see, you have different options. If you want to buy with USDT under the Solana, the BNB, the Polygon, the Ethereum, I suggest to select the USDT under the BNB because in the next step you will be able to provide an address of that BIP from your wallet. Now after you select the token that you want to buy with, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. So after you click on continue, as you can see, provide an email address that you use and make sure that your email is active. Now after that, how to get this BIP to any address from your wallet. Now if you like, for example, you use the Bitget wallet, what you need to do, select the BNB as a chain and click on receive here and copy this, as you can see, this withdrawal address. So after that, paste it here as you can see and click on continue. If you use the OURBIT and the MetaMask, so the process is the same. So after you provide the BIP20 address, you can click on continue and the pop-up will be appear here from your wallet, and after that you can connect your wallet and complete the buy process from there. So this is how to buy a PIRGS token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.